It is now simpler to download and access standards. Adobe Reader and PDF Exchange are now the only supported readers, and a plugin is not required to open the files. The first time you download and try to open a standard after this update, you may be requested to disable a setting within your PDF viewer. This setting is located in the Preferences menu. Once here, look for the JavaScript subheading, and you're going to untick the box marked Enable Global Object Security Policy. I'll apply the settings and try to open the document once more. At this point, I will also be requested to add our DRM server to the list of trusted domains within your PDF viewer. Please allow this to ensure that your documents can be accessed quickly and easily each time. This is the dialog box requesting to add the DRM server to the list of trusted domains. Click yes, and as you can see, the document has opened successfully.